Many designers use to place title blocks and print directly from model space. Sometimes it is interesting to keep some studies, references, or other things out of the title blocks. When performing automatic printing, however, it is not certain that you want to print everything you see. With TodoT we can choose whether to automatically print all the content for each of the selected drawings, or just the area enclosed by the borders. With this setting, TodoT will print the entire extension of the model space on paper or PDF. Or we can decide to print just the title blocks. Let's see how. With these settings, TodoT will print on paper or PDF only the area enclosed by the borders. Would you like to know more? Contact us for more information.